I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings from the Start menu and choose System to continue. Select Remote Desktop from the left column to view connection options. Toggle the Allow Remote Desktop switch to Off to disable incoming RDP connections. Confirm the prompt when Windows asks to turn off remote connections to apply changes. This action stops the remote desktop service from accepting new sessions immediately. Port 3389 will no longer accept external RDP traffic after you complete these steps. Open Control Panel and navigate to System to access Remote Settings. Click Remote Settings and uncheck Allow remote connections to this computer to block RDP. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall and choose Advanced Settings to view inbound rules. Find rules named Remote Desktop and disable the rule allowing TCP port 3389 to block network access. Finally, open Services (MSC) and stop the remote desktop services to ensure the server does not accept new sessions. Open PowerShell as administrator to change the registry quickly and safely. Run setitem property path HKLM /system/current control set /control /terminal server name fdeny TS connections value 1 to block RDP. For domain or local enforcement, open gpedit MSC and enable computer configuration administrative templates Windows components remote desktop services to disallow remote desktop. Apply the policy and then restart the computer to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.